Hey there everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you the easiest way to uninstall a font on Windows. Let's get started. On your desktop, right-click anywhere to open a context menu. Click on Personalize. This will open the settings window. In the settings window, click on Fonts on the left side. On the right side, you'll see a list of the installed fonts on your Windows. To uninstall a font, simply click on the font you want to remove. A preview of the font will appear along with an uninstall button. Click on the uninstall button and Windows will remove the font from your system. If you have multiple fonts to uninstall, just repeat the step for each font you want to remove. Congratulations, you have successfully learned the easiest way to uninstall a font on Windows. It's a quick way to clean up your font list and remove fonts you no longer need. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to uninstall a font on Windows. I'll see you on my next video, and until then, take care and happy font management.